All right, thank you very much, Josh. Well, last week's historic flooding has devastated parts of eastern Kentucky, and now more rain is on the way this week. Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear is in eastern Kentucky today visiting local officials, volunteers, and those who have been affected. He says search and rescue operations are still ongoing. 13 Kentucky counties have been declared federal disaster areas, and thousands still remain without power. Now, at least 26 people, including 4 children, are dead in the 1,000-year flood. The true damage of the flood is yet to be understood.
The mud's got to be squeegeed out, get it all cleaned up. You got to Clorox, disinfect everything. It's a big job to clean up after a flood like this.
But I'm sure that everybody will pull together. I mean, that's just the way we are. You know, they can talk about us hillbillies, but we hold hand in hand when stuff like this happens. And I'm proud to be a hillbilly.
And some of the waterways over there did not crest until earlier today. And 2 West Virginia chefs will be traveling to Kentucky tomorrow with trucks and vans loaded with supplies and necessities. They are asking for donations of water, full propane bottles, sanitary items, and foods that do not need to be cooked. Flood victims lost a multitude of things like houses, cars, food, and even some lives.
I felt very much like when this happened in southern West Virginia 4 or 5 years ago. We were neglected by much of the rest of the country. Appalachia and West Virginia and Kentucky in particular just kind of get forgotten when things happened. We just felt like we were going to go down to Kentucky and make sure that's not happening there. We're not going to let them be neglected.
The chef will be accepting donations in the U.S. Department of Agriculture's parking lot over in Morgantown until 7 o'clock this evening. And if you missed tonight's event, you can also donate to help flood victims. And we're going to have that info over on our website, WBOY.com.